Yankom Netramani College of Nursing is the place where you turn your dreams into reality. The institution was established with a vision in offering excellence in quality nursing education for the delivery of enlightened, compassionate, and competent healthcare professionals.
Welcome to Yankom College of Nursing!
You will be the generations serving the future. Every aspect is now moving at a faster rate than ever, be it education, work, technology, or even the lifestyle. Young mind needs to absorb the right information to deliver the best output for our society, and for that, we have educators with experience, broad mind, friendly, alert and sharp mind who can train to fight everything of anything for tomorrow's fast-changing world. Our institution has well-stocked international, national reference book along with e-library facilities, modern infrastructure, well-equipped laboratories, and a spacious classroom with aided projectors. And above all, we have a parent hospital where we provide hands-on training to our students. We provide wider practical exposure at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Manipur. Our college never fails to explore the talents of young professionals with the guidance of experienced faculties. The college is recognized by Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi, Manipur Nursing Council, and affiliated to Manipur University. For admission inquiries, please contact 8787584915. Join us and let us help you realize your dreams at YN College of Nursing, Kakching.